two cases from Sketch for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. They just sent these over to me to review for you guys. So first off, we have the Echo case. This is gonna cost you around $30. And this is the Star case, a more durable case. They call this the world's toughest naked case. I'm gonna explain that in a minute. And this will cost you around $45. Let's start off with this case. So this is a clear case. It has antibacterial technology. It's also shockproof, which is important. As you can see, drop tested 10 feet. Easy ridges, 1-year warranty. Also, of course, it's compatible with wireless charging. And this is the world's toughest naked case, meaning that there is nothing on the side, so the buttons and the stainless steel, they're completely exposed. And the reason that's a good thing is because you get a tough case, as it doesn't really compromise the design of your phone, so you can still enjoy those sexy stainless steel sides, because Apple does do a good job of the stainless steel on their iPhones. So also antibacterial technology, direct device grip. This was also drop tested 10 feet, wireless charging, you know, all the good stuff. So we're gonna start off with this case. So there's a bit of more information. So raised camera protectors, scratch resistant, anti-slip, port protection. And here you have a bit of a demonstration when dropped. As you can see, it's absorbing all the shock. Micro defense technology. Cool, cool, cool. All right, so we really gotta, okay. All right, doesn't wanna, oh, there you go. So you really gotta push it on your phone. As you guys can see, there is a clear lip all around the phone. The sides are completely exposed. I have the black version. If I had the gold version, like it'll probably look better. But it does feel good in the hand. It does feel tight in all the corners. This is a really big lip around the camera, so this is a really good thing. And it doesn't rock as well. So if you drive like on the side, the stainless steel remains untouched. And also another upside of an open case like this is that no dirt is gonna get stuck on the sides and scratch your phone. So with traditional cases, like if you don't clean it out every once in a while, then the dirt, all the nasty stuff just collects underneath the case and it scratches up your phone. But with here, that's not the case. Pun intended. All right, next up we have this case over here. So this just slides on, and as soon as you put it on, it's also tight in all of the corners. Buttons are nice and clicky. And oh wow, okay. So we have plenty of room to switch the signs. So like this, I forgot what it's called. You can switch this on and off easily, which is a good thing, because usually the problem with these kinds of cases is they never make a hole big enough for the mute switch. Let's just call it that. But over here, that's not the case. I can reach it like easily, and I have big fingers. And also an overall good looking case. I'm really impressed. And even though this is a flexible material, when it's on your phone, it feels like a super hard case that can't even flex. But so really impressed with what they've done here. So as you can see, responsive buttons, scratch resistant, all that stuff is in fact true. So that is pretty much it. So this is my first time ever reviewing cases. So if I missed something, let me know. So yeah, what do you think of these two cases? I think they're great. They're both for completely different people. So it's up to you what you prefer. My favorite personally is this case. That's because the buttons are clicky. It's a nice looking case. It shows off the design of your phone as well. And also the cutout for the mute switch is not too small. So I think these cases are absolutely worth it. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comments. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.